Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Janelle and I post makeup videos twice a week on Wednesdays and on Saturdays, so make sure that you subscribe and join the family here in Makeup Land. For today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a full coverage everyday makeup look. The eyeshadow look is going to be so simple and so easy. We're only going to go in with one eyeshadow. Yes, you heard me right. One eyeshadow. The look is going to be nice and matte, perfect for oily skin, all my oily skin warriors out there. So with that said, that's enough chatting at the beginning of the video. I'm just going to jump right into my makeup. I'm going to start by going in with a primer. For my primer, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. We can highlight the nose. I love to highlight down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my chin. I'm going to let my concealer dry down a little bit and do some sculpting, some contouring of the face. For the contour today, I am going in with the Milani Contour and Highlight Cream Liquid Duo in the shade 05 Dark Deep. Alright, and this is nice and creamy, glides on nicely to the skin. I don't like a contour that is too stiff and very difficult to blend out. To blend that out, I'm going in with a BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. Just making sure to push the contour upwards so that I have a nice sculpted and lifted look on the cheekbones. Alright, so that blended out easily. I'm going to go in with a clean sponge. This is a callus sponge, and I'm just going to blend my concealer out now, starting on my chin. and going in patting motion so that I can control where that concealer goes. Alright, so liquids and creams are all blended out. It is time to set my favorite part. To set my concealer down, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Gobi. And as you can see, it's a nice buttery brownie color. I'm just going to dip my sponge in the powder, dust the excess off on the back of my hand, and then go in and press that powder in. I did my brows off camera just to save a little bit of time. My brows haven't really changed since the last time I did them in one of my videos. But if I change my brow routine, I'll make sure to let you guys know. If you prefer me to show my brows and how I do my brows in every video, drop me a comment and just let me know. To prime the lids, I went in with some of the same Too Faced concealer and went in with some of the same Juvia's Place setting powder, just to set that concealer down. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to work from the Juvia's Place Nomad eyeshadow palette. Alright, and I'm only going to be going in with this nice brown shade in the palette. I'm going to start by going in with a blending brush. This is the Morphe M434 brush, and I'm going to start by working that color into my crease. And you can do this look with, any single color. You can go in with blue, you can go in with green, purples, But since this is like an everyday look for me, I'm normally going with a nice brown shade. The next thing I'm going to do is to go in with a flat shader brush, that same shade, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid. And what I find is that because we went in with a blending brush in the crease and then a more dense packing brush on the mobile lid, it looks like if we've gone in with two different eyeshadows when it is just one eyeshadow but just two different brushes and two ways of, you know, packing that eyeshadow on. Now that that is on the lid, we're done with the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with a black pencil. This is a Nicka K eye pencil in black, 01 black, and I'm just going to define my lash line. Guys ever tried it? Let me know if it's a foundation that you guys use. I know it has been out for a while and I've been using it. I used it years ago and I just kind of forgot about it. It get trampled by my NARS, but let me just say it is so lovely and looks so good on the skin. All right, and this look really comes together when we put some highlighter, especially on the inner corner. So I'm going to highlight down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use the good old everybody's favorite, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome. I am using this in the shade 100 Molten Gold. And on the inner corner of the eye, just to open up the eyes and make the eyes pop a little bit. Lovely. I'm going to set with the Morphe Continuous Satin Mist. my lips, I'm not going to go in with my NYX today. I'm going to go in with an LA Girl pencil. Let me sharpen it. You know I have a habit of not sharpening my pencils. This is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Cola. For my lipstick, I'm going to go in with an LA Colors matte liquid lip in the shade Smashing. And it's a nice brown nude shade. I forgot how good it smells. It smells like vanilla. It smells delicious. I'm going to top that lip off with a gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. If you haven't tried these, you need to try these. These glosses are so good, and my dog just started barking, but we're just going to ignore him right now. And I was telling you about the Lifter glosses. They remind me of like a Fenty gloss, but not as thick. They make your lips look so nice and juicy. And like the liquid lip, they also smell extremely good. And that gloss is in the color 007 Amber. It's like a nice nude color, not too nude, like a pinky creamy nude. I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M554 brush, which is like a nice little flat paddle brush. Go back in with my setting powder just a little bit and just mattify this area here. I'm just going to put a little bit more blush on. I think it got lost with the setting spray, because I want the eyes and the cheeks and the lips to really tie in together. All right, and I think we are all done. Alright guys, and that is the final look. That is my everyday full coverage simple makeup routine. The eye look, as I said, is so simple, and you can do it with so many different colors. Any color that you want, you can basically just go in and switch it up, you know, just to match your outfit or just to match the vibe for the day, you know, whatever vibe or look that you are going for. Alright, so thank you very much for hanging out with me for yet another video. If you like my makeup and you enjoyed the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, save it. Let me know in the comments also if there are any products that I use that you use in your routine. Let me know if you use this oldie but apparently a goodie, the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. Let me just say, I love the way how the makeup turned out today. Love this foundation, and I definitely will be using it in more videos. So if you see me using it, don't get sick of it. Alright guys, so that's enough. Have a fabulous week. Be fantastic wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.